What is in the box in addition to the unit itself is the exhaust air hose, which is slightly larger dimension than the air inlet hose, which is slightly more narrow. Also included in the box is the sealing cloth, which belongs to the air inlet hose. Also, there's a window kit, a remote control, and the manual is also included in the box. For this demonstration, the way the hoses look now, the adapters and the outdoor sensor are already connected, so they are all ready to be installed. How to attach the air outlet hose. Attach the adapters to the larger hose by extending the ends of the hose and by twisting the adapters into place. Then click the round adapter into the machine and make sure that it's firmly attached. To install the air inlet hose, attach the adapter with the sensor to the smaller hose by pulling out the end of the hose and twist the adapter into place. Then pass the sensor through the sealing cloth and then pull the sealing cloth over the air inlet hose. And please be patient with the sealing cloth since it's rather tight. And the sealing cloth is used to insulate the air inlet hose to prevent condensation from forming on the hose. After that the sealing cloth is in place, twist the adapter onto the end of the hose. And make sure that the sealing cloth covers the entire hose. Attach the air inlet hose on the portable air conditioner by keeping the in arrow pointing downwards. To attach the sensor, unscrew the blue cap. Put the sensor into place and tighten the screw. To protect the electric cord, attach the cord to the holder. This is the HEPA filter. Before use, pull out the filter and check if there's a protective plastic around it. If there is, remove the protective plastic and put the filter back into place again. When attaching the window kit, make sure to snap the adapters into place properly. Before starting your portable air conditioner, let it stand upright for about 4 hours. This is to allow the liquid in the machine to drain back if the machine has been lying down. Place the portable air conditioner on a flat surface. When the portable air conditioner starts, this sound is heard and the AC starts in a cooling mode with a preset temperature of 22 degrees. The fan is set on a medium speed. Now the indoor temperature is shown here and the outdoor temperature is shown here. To switch the AC off, press the button again and you will hear this sound. And the portable air conditioner is switched off. When switched off, the air outlet window closes automatically. This is the window on the back of the machine that opens and closes for the air switch function. Press the mode button to set the different modes of the machine. In cooling mode, use this mode to cool the room to a set temperature between 17 and 30 degrees. In heating mode, in this mode, you heat the room to a set temperature between 17 and 30 degrees. In dehumidification mode, this mode reduces the humidity of the room. Fan mode. This mode circulates the air and purifies the air of the room without cooling. The arrow buttons are used to adjust the set temperature upwards and downwards. Press and hold the button continuously to change the temperature range by 1 degree. Press the fan speed button to select high, low, or medium fan speed. Airswitch is a revolutionary and patent-pending solution developed by Woods. With Airswitch, the room can be cooled with cooler air from the outside, making cooling extremely quiet and energy efficient. In addition, the air is effectively purified through a HEPA filter. Press the Airswitch button once to activate the Airswitch Auto mode. This is indicated by the flashing Airswitch indicator on the display. This mode ensures that the AC always cools as energy efficiently and quietly as possible. It automatically switches between compressor cooling and Airswitch, which lowers the indoor temperature with cool outside air.